Alright y'all, so this is what the sky is looking like today. Kind of cloudy with a little bit of sun, but the sky is gorgeous. What is up, y'all? Y'all, it's so cold today. It's a chill day. Your girl is in pajamas and feeling all cozy, and we're just about to make some, I guess, brunch, lunch, dinner type situation, because y'all, it's like after 3 o'clock. Yeah, we just about to be in the house today watching movies and just chilling and having a good time. So I'm gonna try to capture some of that footage, but y'all, I'm about to enjoy myself, so I'll holler at y'all later.
Something has happened to Anna. And do you believe him? Not at first, but all of his stuff's still here, and all her photos, all pictures are gone. It's really weird. It's like you guys are trying to hide her from me. I didn't know what to do. Okay. I hear you.
Milkshake. Milkshake. Woohoo. Look at me.
Tonight.
Mm-mm. Hey y'all, so just that quick, I have changed into some clothes, about to run a quick errand. I think I'm gonna take y'all in there with me, so I'll see y'all inside. Hello. Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Good. How are you doing?
Well, thank you.
Yes, good. Oh. Hey y'all, so I am back in my pajamas, feeling good. But yeah, me and Milkshake are sitting here on the couch and watching TV. I think they have a new like movie that's gonna come on LMN or Lifetime. I can't remember which station that we are watching, but yes, y'all. And guess what? It is 6:16. Okay, y'all see that time? Like, what's going on? But yeah, once I get my food together, I'm going to show y'all. But it's just been one of them kind of days. I'm relaxed, I'm feeling good. As y'all seen in the last clip, I got some milk and some eggnog and some hot chocolate. I did not know that they had dark chocolate, hot chocolate. So I'm so excited to taste that and see what it is working with. I think I might put some almond milk in it when I go to drink it, or I might just make it with water. I have not decided yet, but we shall see. But yeah, y'all, I'll tune in once I have food to show y'all.
Eileen, please wait.
No.
I just want to talk to you for a minute. What do you want? I just wanted her to understand.
Oh, yeah! Woo!